Howdy folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is a coloring session that I've recorded that took me about 45 minutes from start to finish. I've sped this up 400% and it features Indiana Jones and characters from the Temple of Doom. This was the first Indiana Jones film that I watched in the theaters. I think it was around 7th grade or so. And it introduced me to the world of Indiana Jones, and I absolutely loved the film. I've since gone on to watch Raiders and Last Crusade and the other films, and Raiders of the Lost Ark remains my favorite film of all time. Now, this video is just merely sharing my workflow. I'm not really providing any commentary in terms of what I'm doing here, but if you're interested in that, definitely take a look at the 6-part Rod Serling Twilight Zone process videos that I've created. I've got a playlist on my channel that you can watch, and it literally will walk you through a similar process where I start from sketch and I end up in final colors and textures. So that really kind of lays bare all of the techniques that I use to make my illustrations. As you're watching this video, I hope you stick around until the end where you can see the final reveal. And if you're listening to this at this point, drop me a comment and let me know what your favorite Indiana Jones film is, and also what your least favorite Indiana Jones film is. For me, my favorite film is Raiders of the Lost Ark. It's the classic. It's, I think, close to being a perfect film. And my least favorite film is The Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. I did watch Dial of Destiny, no spoilers, and I enjoyed it. It was not perfect. It has its own set of flaws, but it was definitely better than Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. So I'll leave it at that. I'm going to go ahead and kick off some music here. Sit back, relax, watch the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon.